In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily offer a draw on chess.com. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, once you are already playing a game and you want to offer a draw to your opponent, there is the way how we can easily do so. All you have to do is just click right here where it says draw. Just click on it. It will ask you, do you want to offer a draw to your opponent? Click at yes, and after that it says basically guys, our opponent need to accept or reject our draw offer. As you can see, my opponent accepted my draw offer in a couple of seconds, and after that we can continue playing another games on chess.com. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.